Now you can see that it's nicely closed. Looks very nice. Hopefully that paint won't be there anymore. And you can see it's nicely closed after taking this whole piece out. Okay, Rocio. How you doing, Rocio? Can you talk?
Yeah.
Okay, Rocio had a long story about this toe. We had a surgery done here. She did very well with that, but all of a sudden she started feeling a lot of sensitivity right here and gets all the way here. And then she had another ingrown nail bot we took out as well. So this toe has gone through a lot, right, Rocio?
Correct.
Okay. So now what I'm going to do now, unfortunately, I've tried everything. I've done therapy, I've done injections to break down all the scar tissue that was causing the nerve pain. So now we're finally opted to cut it out, this whole portion of, this is where the nerve is buried under the ear. So I'm going to cut right through here. I'm going to take all the skin, everything out. I'm going to put some suture there so this whole area would be pain-free. Right, Rocio?
Yes.
Okay, that's what we're doing. Okay, here we go. Do you feel any of this?
No.
No? Okay, good. So I'm going all the way down. In that corner, I have to make sure I have to take a really good chunk of that skin because that's where the nerve is buried underneath there, causing just crazy amount of sensitivity and pain. So to cut all this part out. Are you excited to take care of this problem, Rocio?
Yeah.
This has been ongoing for what, how many months now?
Wow, since July of last year.
July last year, wow. She suffered through a lot with this toe, so going all the way down. And when I lifts it out, cutting it good amount. I have to make it look good too, so that's not easy. So I'm gonna ellipse this whole thing out, and then hopefully the nerve that's sitting underneath that, so then she won't be having the pain anymore. So that's our goal. So you've been on and off work and everything, huh? Because of the,
Yes.
and you're cosmetologist, so you're standing, right?
Yes.
Pretty much all day. So it's been ongoing problems, so I hope and pray that we'll be able to get rid of this problem. So which is what we're doing. So I'm taking this skin off here. You feel any of this?
No.
Still no? Okay, good. So you can see this. I'm taking a big chunk of skin out. Make sure that entrapped nerve is part of that whole problem. You can see I'm taking this one big piece of skin off, and in there, there's a nerve in there somewhere that's causing all the problem. As you can see, it came out of here. So what I do is I make sure that our main problem is near the tip area. So I'm going to make sure that I take enough of this, all of this stuff out. Okay. And there's a little instrument called round jeweler. What it does is that it takes, you can see it is pretty sharp. I go in there and take whatever left over, clean this whole thing out. Especially this area. I can kind of feel very tight scar tissue in that area. So I'm going to make sure that I take all those out. And I'm going to make sure that I go back in and take a little more of those out, because that's where the problem is. So I'm going to go back in there to make sure I got all of these things out. plunger back on there. Clean all this out so that nothing's in there. As you can see, it's pretty clean in there now. Just make sure nothing's gonna go back there. It's nice and clean. And I have some, I need a needle and a syringe. I'm gonna flush it. So now, it looks pretty clean right now. I'm just gonna make sure again. Actually, I need a new one, a brand new one. You need to drop it. You can't hold it.
Oh.
I need to wrap it. So be sure. As you can see, it's really clean all the way down to the bone, literally. That's what we want. And then we're gonna flush it clean, and then we're gonna suture it afterward. Just open it. Need some saline. So we wanna make sure this area is clean. Okay, now we're going to suture this up. Now suturing of this, making it look cosmetically pleasing is very important for all the ladies. Right, Rosia?
Yes.
Okay, especially she's a cosmetologist, so we have to make sure that she looks good in case somebody asks her about their toe. So I usually like to put about 3 sutures here, 1 at the base, just to make sure it looks nice in there. This is my favorite instrument with the, you have a scissor right there. So when you're operating by yourself, it's the best instrument to have. Now we have to close this like that. So I go from the other side and grab some skin and then go over this other side and then be able to close it. As you can see, it's closing down nicely. Rocio's so quiet. Usually she's talkative. You don't feel anything, right, Rocio?
No.
Usually you like to talk, but today you're quiet.
I like to pick his brain.
You do have a lot of questions usually, but you're quiet today. She's shy today for some reason. Now you can see this side nicely closed now. Okay. Now you can see that it's nicely closed. Looks very nice. Hopefully that paint won't be there anymore. And you can see it's nicely closed after taking this whole piece out. And then now I'm going to give some medicine to make sure she doesn't have a whole lot of pain, and then she needs to take it easy for a week or so, and that's where we are. Thank you for allowing us to film you today, Rocio.
Of course.